post-game press conference. We're here with the winning coach, Coach Yang Yao, best player of the game, Andre Carabot. Coach Yang, third straight win for your team. Pero again, hindi naman madali para sa inyo na magmula. Can you talk about how tough this win was, especially after almost blowing a 13-point lead in the fourth quarter?
Mahirap. Magnolia came in with their full force. Nung previous game sila, medyo nag-struggle sila kasi hindi sila kompleto. Pero nung nakompleto sila, Paul's playing, Lucero's playing, so they're a different team. So, kung andyan yung materialis nila. Why, we just got lucky actually. But gusto ko yung pinakita naming laban. For most part of the first half and third quarter, we had the game under control actually. Kaya lang nawala yung momentum sa amin patapos ng third quarter nung napunta sa kanila. And ako, I think the good thing about this is ang ganda nung balik namin. Nabalikan pa namin yun. Usually, kung yung dating team namin, pagka nag-collapse ka na ng gano'n, hindi na kami makabalik. Pero ito, I see it as a good sign. Yes, we lost momentum. Nakuha nila yung lead. Ala ko, sabi ko wala na, baka hindi na kami makabalik. Nakabalik pa rin. So, yung sabihin, nag-iiba na yung karakter ng team. It's a good sign. Laking bagay yung 4-point shot ni Andre. At siyempre malaking tulong yung foul situation ni Patrick. But that's really the way to win a game. Kung nawalan ka ng momentum, you must just find a way to get back into the game. And that's what we did. That's why, if for that alone, magandang panalo ito kahit hirap ka.
Thank you, Coach. Dre, for sure, may mga nakuha kayong sermon from Coach Yang nung nakakahabol sa Magnolia in the fourth quarter. Pero sabi nga niya, maganda yung balik niyo. Sa tingin mo, ano yung naging susi para makabalik kayo at the same time yung maganda mong performance kaya naka-recover kayo to get this game?
Yung mga teammates ko, ako kasi tumitiwala ako sa mga teammates ko. Alam ko na hindi sila papayag na basta-basta matalo. So, yung pinagdaan din namin nung last conference, nakita ko rin na bawat game kahit down kami, laban pa rin sa nilaban. So, ako personally, hindi rin ako papayag na hindi rin ako lumalaban. Parang nagkakahawaan.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, 3-in-1 kayo sa conference. Mention this as a good sign for you. Kasi next 3 games yata until January, parang struggling team. So, putting sa good build up.
Pero mahirap pa rin magtiwala. Supposedly, we have a lighter schedule. Pero yung lighter, hindi mo masabi si lighter yun. Merong araw na maganda lalaroin kahit sabihin natin nag-struggle yung team. Pag natapat sa'yo na maganda lalaroin nila, mahihirapan ka pa rin. So hindi pwede mag-relax or magkampante. Pero babalikan ko yung sinabi ko kanina. Nag-iiba yung karakter ng team. Nakikita mo na marunong na silang bumalik after losing momentum. Dati pag nawala na momentum, nagtutuloy-tuloy na yun, hindi na makabalik. Especially kung kalaban mo Magnolia, super veterano yung finishers nila. Baroka, Conley, Ian Sanggalaw. Marami nang dinaanan yun. Pero for a younger team like ours, na makabalik doon sa mga super veterans na yun, parang nabubuo na rin yung finishing kick namin. Dati wala kaming finishing kick, wala kaming closers. Hindi namin magsarado yung laro, matatalo ka sa endgame. Pero ito magandang senyales. Kahit sabihin mo na wala yung lamang namin, siguro sa iba, madidisappoint sila na wala yung lamang. Pero mangyayari talaga sa PBA na kahit tumamang ka ng malaki, mawawala talaga yan. Kailangan lang makapalit ka ulit. Mangyayari talaga.
Coach, before this game, after nung game nyo against San Miguel, sabi mo kasi parang may rivalry na nabubuo na
Oo, meron.
Ano kayang meron, Coach, at ito yung mga quality of games na meron kayo?
Yun nga magandang panoorin eh. Yung may ganong rivalry, parang masyado na tayong friendly sa isa't isa. Dapat merong konting merong konting drama na alam mo na pag naglalaban yung dalawang team, magpupukan ng dalawang team na to. Minsan kasi actually madalas yun ang gusto ng publiko natin na makpakan talaga yung labanan. So kami, gusto lang namin with yung personnel namin, tinuturuan namin sila mag-compete. Yung sinasabi ko, hard work is not enough. You have to compete. Compete is a higher level of hard work. Kasi sa competition, meron kang kailangan talunin. Sa hard work, kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, pwede ka mag-hard work. So, today, they competed. I think that's the good thing that happened today. That's how you compete.